The reason why a lot of people keep looking for quick fix is because they don't give themselves the time for their skin to, radiate the effects of a product that you're using. For example, you see somebody who has used Posh Skin Secrets for like a year and a half, and you see how beautiful their skin is, you see how glowing their skin is. Or you send me a picture of myself and you want your skin to be like mine. I have been using my products for years and years and years, right? Now, you don't expect to have the same results that I have or the same effect that I have now from just using the product for 2 weeks or for 3 weeks. No. Skincare is skincare. It's not something that you use and you expect that your skin will just automatically be beautiful. Skincare is taking care of your skin. And how do you take care of your skin? It's by being consistent with a product. Now, there are different kinds of products. There are functional products, there are active products, there are aesthetical products, right? So what is the balance that you have? Now, don't forget that the connection between your guts and your skin and the connection between your psyche and your skin is also very important in playing a role in the result that you get. The environment that you live in, the lifestyle that you have, the kind of job that you do, all of these things come together to affect the change on your skin. So you don't expect that you will, for example, you're trying to get probably a maybe 2 shades lighter and then just maintain that complexion. Of course, if your skin is healthy and you are putting healthy ingredients on your skin properly, and your skin is absorbing this goodness, you will not need to use lightening and whitening, or rather you will not need to use whitening products for you to get a lighter complexion. No, your skin will naturally lighten up to a shade or 2 because your skin is healthy. Now, if you keep running from pillar to post, end to end, looking for products that will give you the results that you want in a short period of time, you end up confusing your skin. You use this product for 2 weeks or 3 weeks and the product is finished and you're saying, oh, I did not get whiter. You just use this product for only 2 weeks. Even your skin takes about 30 days to regenerate. So what exactly are you talking about? And then you abandon that product, you go to the next product, you use that product for another 2 weeks and you don't see results. That's how you keep jumping. And before you know it, your skin is confused as to what exactly is going on. Why are all these different active ingredients clashing and coming on my skin? And before you know it, your skin barrier begins to break. And once your skin barrier begins to break, you give way to acne, and other skin issues that may arise depending on the kind of environment that you live in. And then you go and say, oh, this last product I used, it made me break out, it made my skin this. No, that's not the reason. The reason is your skin got fed up and broke. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you are looking for good results, if you are looking for a healthy skin, let a healthy skin be your focus. Don't say, oh, I want my skin to be healthy, I want my skin to glow, I want my skin to do this, to do that, and then at the end of the day, you are not patient enough to see that through, and then you end up causing the problem that you are accusing others for. Give your skin time. Your skin needs time to glow. And please, if you are looking for a skin whitening product, come out plain and say you're looking for a skin whitening product. Don't quote it with, I want a healthy glowing skin. If you want a healthy glowing skin does not